Good morning, dear student. Today we will study chapter 7, Helen Killers. We have studied some part, and now today we will study next part. Dear students, Helen Killers is very smart girl. Okay, she said and added, the problem is how can we react her? She is locked up her inside. Okay, she locked her up inside, and Helen became very grow wild. She would not let anyone comb her hair. Her clothes were always dirty. She was often angry. Sometimes even she lay on their floor and kicked her feet. Dear students, her parents were also worried for their educations, and her parents found Miss Sullivan is a teacher, okay, for Miss Helen. Okay, Miss Helen is a bright and girl. Miss Sullivan taught her spelling of dolls. She spelled with the letters fingers in her hand, in her hand's finger. He spelled the letters in her hand and made a sign of dolls. Okay, and spelled dolls. But now she did not understand what is doll. Okay, she touch the doll in her hand, and then she spell letters doll in her hand. She put some water in her hand, and then she spelling of water. In this way, she learned word. Okay, and she also learned by very easily. One day her teacher made Helen put her hand into the running water, then she spilled water. Okay, in this way, suddenly Helen understood that water means something wet. Water means something wet. Running over her hand, she understood that words were most important things in the world. Words are more important in the world. Words would tell her everything she wanted to know. Dear students, I have completed the chapter, and now we will see some exercise. Then let's see some exercise. Okay. Say whether each of these statements is true or false. Dear students, you can write true for T, and false for A. Okay, then let's read the first question. Helen's parents were unhappy to have her. Did Helen's parents were unhappy to have her? No, they didn't. So this question is false. So we will write here, yeah. So we will write here, yep. Now see another question. Helen was born blind and deaf. This is also false. So we write here, yeah. Third question. Helen did not speak to anyone because she did not like them. This is also false. Okay. Helen was a bright little girl. Yes, she is a bright little girl. This is right. So we write here T. So we write here T. Helen copied the hand signs made by her teacher. Yes, she always copied. So this is also true. So we write here T. Okay. Dear students, I have explained this exercise very well. If you find any difficulty, you can contact me without any hesitations. Okay, till then, thank you. Have a nice day.